Do you know, your body contains trillions of cells, and every single cell generates electricity. A neuron fires signals from about -70 millivolts to +30 millivolts. Now think about this. If all this activity could somehow be combined, could your body power a small village? And even more surprising, your heart generates electromagnetic waves, and your DNA responds to signals. So, are we really just made of flesh and bones? Or are we an advanced bioelectric system? Let's try to understand this scientifically. So listen carefully. Your body is an electrical system. Now let's understand this in a very simple way. Your body is not just made of flesh and bones. It is also made of signals, tiny electrical signals. Inside your body, there are trillions of cells. Each cell works like a small unit that communicates with others. Whenever you think, move, blink your eyes, or even breathe, your body is constantly sending signals everywhere. These signals are not only chemical, they are also electrical. That is why scientists call the human body an electrochemical system. Brain and neurons. Now let's talk about your brain. Your brain has around 86 billion neurons. These neurons are special cells that send messages throughout your body. There are also helper cells called glial cells. They support neurons, provide nutrition, and clean waste so that the system works smoothly. Now the question is, how does a neuron work? A neuron has a resting state of about -70 millivolts. This means the inside of the neuron is more negative and the outside is more positive. When a signal arrives, sodium ions move inside the cell and the electrical charge changes. It quickly goes from -70 millivolts to about +30 millivolts. This process is called an action potential. The most amazing part is that this happens in just 1 to 2 milliseconds, and a single neuron can fire many times in 1 second. Thoughts as electrical patterns. Now think about this. When billions of neurons fire together, they create patterns, and these patterns become your thoughts, your memory, and your emotions. So your thoughts are actually electrical patterns. That is why the brain is often compared to a computer. But there is a big difference. A computer uses a large amount of power, while your brain uses only about 20 watts, yet it controls your entire body. Heart and electromagnetic field. Now let's talk about your heart. Your heart is not just a pump. It also creates an electromagnetic field. Scientists can measure this field, and it can extend outside your body. This means your heart is also sending signals. Your emotions can change these signals. When you are calm, the signals are smooth and stable. When you are stressed, the signals become irregular. So your feelings are not just in your mind, they affect your whole body. DNA is a quantum antenna. Now let's come to DNA. DNA is like a code inside your body. It stores important information about you. However, it is not completely fixed. Your environment can influence how your body behaves. Your habits, your thoughts, and your surroundings can all affect how your body responds. Some scientists also study how light and different signals can influence biological systems. The truth about huge electricity. Now let's answer the big question. Can your body power a village? The answer is no. Yes, your body creates electrical signals, but they are very small and carefully controlled. They are used for communication inside your body, not for powering external devices or machines. So, your body is powerful, but in a very efficient and intelligent way, not in terms of raw electrical output. Final understanding. So what is the truth? Your body uses electricity. Your brain works through signals. Your heart creates measurable electromagnetic fields. But your body is not a power generator like a transformer, and it does not produce usable large-scale electricity. Conclusion. So next time when you think, remember this. You are not just a body. You are a living electrical system. Every thought, every emotion, and every action creates signals inside you. Call to action. If you like this kind of deep and meaningful knowledge, please subscribe to Neuroviax and like and share this video. Your support motivates us. And when we feel motivated, we can spend more time researching and bring you even more deep facts and powerful knowledge in the future. Stay connected with us so you can understand these concepts and use them in your life.